Alright guys, welcome back to the fort. And we're here today just take a look around for some updates and see if any changes have taken place since the last time we were here.
Construction update, January 2020. Starting with the barn. Let's go take a look. Here's a look at how far they've come along with the new barn. Before you know it, it'll be done. Before we get to the barn, Mickey's Backyard Barbecue sign is still up over here by the bus terminal near Crockett's Tavern. There's the bus stop. Oh wow, look. A lot of construction going on. They've come along. Looks like they even got the drywall up on the side of the building. The wood is definitely up. Yep, they are definitely coming along. And here's another update. Right here they've blocked it off so you can't look over there anymore. So you can kind of see there's still obviously construction going on, but you can't see what is going on. Across the street here from the barn, actually, when you're looking at the barn over here to the left, looks like there's some construction going on here too. Over here across where that Maddox truck is, van, is where the old train tracks used to come out and go back. The old Fort Wilderness train tracks. All right, let's go see what else is going on here at the fort. Oh, wow. Looks like a lot of construction activity going on here. Look at that. They've raised the gravel, and just so you get a gauge of where we are. All right, so this is where we are standing. That is the Crockett's Tavern and Trails End. That's Scott and Sierra. And right here is where I am showing you. So this, pretty soon, it's going to be weird to be saying it, but this is where the old river country was. Look at that cool thing. There's Clementine's Beach right there. You can still see the sand. Looks like they are moving right along with all this construction. Wonder when they're going to start putting in the bungalows. Maybe I can see something from a different angle. So there you have it, guys. This is the latest update for the construction of Reflections, a lakeside lodge, and changes here at the fort. All right, so let's go check out over there by the marina and see how that dock is coming along for the fishing excursions, the new area. Let's go. Wow, so if you remember from last update, that was all fenced in all the way across and you couldn't see anything. But now it's opened for January. So let's check out, what did they do? All right, so here is the beach that you can watch the fireworks from. The golf cart parking area for the marina, so that you can take the transportation, the boat transportation to the parks and to the other resorts. And this is the newest dock here at the fort. Looks like it's complete. So this will be the new fishing excursion dock. If you take a fishing excursion from the fort, this is the dock. And this is what they did that day that we were here. Ooh, look at it. Brand new. They got the fire extinguishers out and everything. And there's our good old marina. If you remember, all of this was blocked off. So what they did was they kept everything. So they did not remove the chairs and tables or the little seating area right here. But what they did do was extend the little walk path all the way to the new dock. So I'm glad that they didn't get rid of these tables and chairs. And the little shower to rinse your feet is still here as well. So they didn't really take anything off. All they did was block it off so that they would be able to put new concrete here. Looks like there won't be any more construction updates from this area, because it looks like they are now complete. Now we just have to keep checking on the Lakeside Lodge construction. Let me see if I could see any new updates from the dock over here going to Magic Kingdom. Wow, a lot of markers. Doesn't look like anything has gone up over here as far as for a structure to be built on the beach yet. But we will definitely be coming back to keep you guys updated on any new changes that we spot here at the fort. All right, let's move on and see if we could find any other changes that have been going on. The sign here at the marina is new, although we have done the Segway tour. Now they are advertising it here as you get off of the boat at the marina. And you do this at the bike barn. It's a fun tour if you haven't done it. We did it a while back. We actually have a video about it. Alright, so one more thing we want to mention is here at the fort there are no longer, for the moment, carriage rides. Right?
That's correct.
So because of the construction, if you do want to do a carriage ride, they are available, but you have to go to Port Orleans Resort to do a carriage ride. So
just for the time being, while construction is taking place here, but we don't know how long.
That's right.
We'll get back to you as soon as we know.
Yeah, so we just wanted to let you know, in case you're coming for a carriage ride, you can do it. but not here at the fort.
That's correct.
You can still do horse rides, the
Yep,
trail
up front.
rides.
You can still do trail rides and pony rides for the kids.
Pony rides up front, by the front of the bus depot.
That's
At
correct.
the front of the campground. So you can do pony rides, you can do horse trail rides. Yeah.
All right, guys, that ought to do it for us right here at the fort.
For another construction update here in January 2020.
And there's more Fort Wilderness stuff coming to the channel.
That's right, more updates, so stay tuned. You know, we try to bring you the updates as soon as we can.
Along with other stuff.
Of course, absolutely.
So anyway, guys, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button.
That's right.
And the notification bell.
Yes.
And we might see you right here
at the fort.